priced at over $20,000, yet it can be acquired for approximately $15,000 to $16,000. This substantial price reduction renders it a highly appealing option within the competitive market landscape. Included with the device are a SIM ejector tool, a basic transparent cover, and a standard white Type-C cable, elements that are typical for this price category. However, there remains potential for enhancements in the accessory offerings. The design of the smartphone is characterized by a dual color scheme, presenting a lighter appearance from the front while exhibiting greater depth when viewed from the side. This design strategy is intended to resonate with a wider audience. Constructed with durable materials that are resistant to scratches, this smartphone is designed to sustain its aesthetic allure over time, a feature that particularly benefits users who prioritize the longevity of their devices. The device's display delivers vibrant colors and exceptional brightness, significantly contributing to an immersive viewing experience. This quality notably enhances multimedia consumption, making it a noteworthy asset for users. Featuring a streamlined user interface, the smartphone minimizes the presence of unnecessary applications, facilitating seamless operation. Users are empowered to tailor their experience through the easy deletion of unwanted apps. The device's base variant includes 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, promoting smooth multitasking capabilities while providing ample space for applications and media files. Equipped with a robust 5000 mAh battery, the smartphone supports prolonged usage along with a 45-watt fast charging capability, ensuring effective power management for users on the go. The camera system has undergone substantial improvements, now featuring a 50MP sensor that enhances photo quality, effectively capturing vibrant colors and intricate details that elevate the overall photography experience. The display quality of this smartphone is highly regarded, showcasing vibrant colors and adequate brightness levels. Additionally, a high refresh rate further enhances the gaming experience, catering to avid gamers. Aesthetically, the smartphone's design is appealing, significantly contributing to its overall attractiveness. The varied design elements are likely to capture the interest of distinct user preferences. Battery performance is commendable, providing a reliable backup for daily usage. Nonetheless, there exists room for enhancement regarding charging speed, an aspect that users may desire improvement in.